Hi there. Thanks for coming along. So on this stop of our journey, let's look at how easily the cloud and Office 2016 work together to help you be more efficient in your everyday workday. When we work with files in Office 2016, we can very easily save those files directly to the cloud. This allows us to access those files from any device, know confidently that they're all backed up, and set us up to be able to collaborate with our colleagues. Office 2016 makes it just as easy to save a file to the cloud as it would be to your local desktop. So let's dive in. We're currently here in a Word document, and I'm going to go ahead and click File and Save As. And right away, you'll see your cloud locations. If this is a personal work file, save it to your OneDrive. If it's something that you'll save with your team, you can put that in a team site in SharePoint Online. In both locations, you'll notice that we see some of our recently accessed folders. Once I select the location to save, give my file a name, and click Save again, I'll know that it's in the cloud, and now I'm able to take advantage of some of these benefits. First of all, now that I've saved it to the appropriate cloud location, I can go back into my File tab and click Share when I'm ready to share it with people. Or I can come here to the upper right-hand corner and click on the Share icon. Clicking the Share button allows me to invite people and invite them to be able to work on this file with me, make edits, and still save it back to one place here in the cloud. Now, because my files are saved in the cloud, I can also access them from any device. And because everything is synced together, when I go back to my File tab and click on Open, my recent files will include not only the files that I've worked on here on my computer, but even things I've worked on other devices. This makes it easy to pick up where you left off and get to work quickly. Office 2016 makes it super easy and efficient to save our files to the cloud and take advantage of great ways to work more efficiently every single day. Thanks for hanging.